Welcome to Space Up, where today we diving into the 10 most mysterious clues that have scientists buzzing with a tantalizing question. Could alien life already exist somewhere out there? The universe is vast and silent, but sometimes it sends us whispers, strange signals, and bizarre behaviors that defy simple explanation. Let's explore the evidence that might just point to life beyond Earth. First up, fast radio bursts, or FRBS. Imagine a signal from deep space that releases more energy than 100 million suns, all in just a few milliseconds. These incredibly powerful bursts have been detected multiple times. But here's the kicker: scientists have absolutely no confirmed source. They appear and vanish without a trace. Some repeat, some don't. While natural phenomena like magnetars are a leading theory, the sheer energy and unpredictable nature of FRBS keep the door open for more exotic explanations, including the possibility of advanced technology. Could these be messages, or perhaps the exhaust from some colossal alien engine? The mystery remains one of the hottest topics in modern astronomy. Next, let's talk about the bizarre behavior of Tabby's star. Officially known as KIC 8,462,852, this star has baffled astronomers with its strange and unpredictable dimming. Unlike the regular dips in light caused by a planet passing in front of its star, Tabby's star dims irregularly, sometimes by as much as 22%. No natural object, like a dust cloud or a swarm of comets, can fully explain this pattern. This led some experts, including the renowned Jason Wright, to propose a wild idea. Could it be an alien megastructure? Imagine a massive swarm of solar panels or a partially constructed Dyson sphere built by an advanced civilization to harvest the star's energy. While this is still a fringe theory, the fact that we can't rule it out makes Tabby's star one of the most compelling cosmic enigmas we've ever found. Our cosmic backyard also holds some tantalizing secrets. Let's head to Mars. For years, our rovers have detected sudden spikes of methane in the Martian atmosphere. These plumes appear and then vanish unpredictably. Why is this so exciting? Because on Earth, the vast majority of methane is produced by living organisms, from tiny microbes to cows. While non-biological processes could also create methane on Mars, the way these spikes appear and disappear is hard to explain with geology alone. It suggests something active is happening just below the surface. Could these be the burps of microbial life, waking up when conditions are just right? We haven't found them yet, but the methane mystery keeps the hope of finding life on Mars very much alive. In 2017, our solar system had a visitor like any other. An object named Oumuamua, which means scout in Hawaiian, sped through our cosmic neighborhood. It didn't look or act like any asteroid or comet we'd ever seen. It was long, thin, and cigar-shaped. Most strangely, as it flew away from the sun, it accelerated in a way that couldn't be explained by gravity alone. Comets can get a push from outgassing, but Oumuamua showed no signs of a dusty, gassy tail. Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb famously suggested that its strange acceleration could be explained if it were an artificial object, perhaps a thin solar sail or even a defunct alien probe, pushed by the pressure of sunlight. While most scientists lean towards a natural explanation, we still don't fully understand. Oumuamua's brief visit left us with a haunting question. Was that our first encounter with alien technology? Let's journey further out to the moons of Jupiter, specifically to Europa. Beneath its thick, icy crust, Europa hides a gigantic ocean of liquid salt water, estimated to contain more than twice the amount of water in all of Earth's oceans combined. This isn't just a cold, dark abyss. Thanks to the immense gravitational pull of Jupiter, Europa's core is likely being squeezed and heated by tidal forces. This could create hydrothermal vents on its ocean floor, just like the ones on Earth that teem with life, completely independent of sunlight. With water, energy, and the right chemical ingredients, Europa might have the perfect conditions for life to exist right now. It's one of the most promising places in our solar system to search for extraterrestrial biology. Now, let's visit Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Titan is a truly alien world, yet eerily familiar. It has a thick atmosphere, clouds, rain, rivers, lakes, and seas, but instead of water, they're made of liquid methane and ethane. Its unique chemistry, rich in organic molecules, resembles early Earth in surprising ways. Some scientists have proposed that life could form differently here. A weird life that uses liquid methane as a solvent instead of water. Could there be methane-based organisms swimming in Titan's lakes or breathing its hazy atmosphere? It is a mind-bending possibility that challenges our very definition of what life is and where it can thrive. Back in interstellar space, Proxima Centauri, the star closest to our Sun, has its own secrets. It hosts an Earth-like planet called Proxima b, located squarely in the habitable zone where liquid water could exist. In 2019, astronomers detected a strange, narrow-band radio signal that appeared to come from the direction of Proxima b. Named Bulk 1, the signal was unlike any known natural interference or human-made transmission. It shifted in frequency in a way that suggested it was coming from a moving object, like a planet. While the team that discovered it concluded it was likely just some strange form of human interference, they haven't been able to pinpoint the exact source. For a moment, the scientific community held its breath. Was this it? The signal we've been waiting for? Even as a false alarm, it was a powerful reminder that we're listening, and one day, we might hear something truly extraordinary. The silence of the universe is itself a clue, leading to a chilling but fascinating idea: the dark forest theory. This theory suggests that the universe might be teeming with advanced civilizations, but they are all hiding intentionally. Why? Because any civilization that reveals itself risks being discovered by a more powerful, potentially hostile species. In this cosmic jungle, the only winning move is to stay silent and hidden. It is a grim explanation for the Fermi paradox, the contradiction between the high probability of alien life and the lack of any evidence for it. This theory suggests the reason the universe feels so empty and silent is because it is full of hunters and prey, and we, by broadcasting our existence into space, might be acting like a lost child shouting in a dark forest. But not all the news is grim. Thanks to NASA's Kepler mission, we now know that planets are incredibly common. Kepler discovered thousands of exoplanets, including dozens of Earth-sized worlds orbiting in the habitable zone of their stars. These aren't just theoretical dots. We're starting to get real data. Some of these planets show tantalizing signs of having atmospheres. Imagine, right now, there could be billions of planets in our galaxy alone where the conditions for life might be just right. We've gone from wondering if there are other planets to trying to decide which of the countless Earth twins we should study first. The sheer number of potentially habitable worlds makes the existence of life elsewhere seem less like a possibility and more like a statistical certainty. Finally, let's look at a mystery closer to home, one that has puzzled NASA for decades: the Pioneer anomaly. The Pioneer 10 and 11 spacecraft, launched in the 1970s, started drifting off their predicted course as they headed into deep space. They were experiencing a tiny, unexplained acceleration back toward the sun. For years, scientists couldn't figure out why. Theories ranged from new laws of physics to the gravitational pull of unseen matter. Some even quietly wondered if an unknown force or even an artificial interaction could be behind it. Eventually, a more mundane explanation was found: an even heat radiating from the spacecraft's power source was creating a tiny, persistent push. But for a long time, the Pioneer anomaly served as a powerful reminder that even in our own backyard, the universe can behave in ways we don't expect. It forces us to question everything we think we know. From unexplained radio bursts and dimming stars to mysterious visitors and hidden oceans, the universe is full of secrets. While we still have no confirmed contact with alien life, These clues tell us that the cosmos is far more strange, complex, and mysterious than we ever imagined. Each one is a breadcrumb on a trail leading us toward an answer. Our journey to uncover these mysteries has only just begun. The truth is out there, and we're getting closer every day. Thanks for watching. If you love exploring the biggest questions in the universe, make sure to subscribe and join us for our next cosmic adventure on Space Up.